Hello, I'm back again. I have a Samsung refrigerator rs2556sh, and if you go online, they're notorious for having problems with cooling on the refrigerator side. I have it turned off, and we're gonna go from there. I took off the panels, and as you can see, it's clean now. I actually dried it out with a blow dryer. There was about an inch worth of ice all on here against the wall and the fan itself. I am showing this video not to show how to take off the panels, but to prevent future buildup of ice on your cooling system. And also, if your evaporator is not working, you will have ice buildup on it. So to prevent that, just put some olive oil in a bottle, spray it, and it will still allow your cooling system to cool down and operate the way it's supposed to, and your refrigerator will run at 34 degrees, 32, so on and so forth. Find yourself an empty spray bottle, clean it out. I actually poured extra virgin olive oil in there. Hell, maybe even Lucas oil might work. Because what you want to do is you want to coat the cooling system. Nice wide sprays. That's it.